Imagine a business with zero manufacturing costs, a business where the raw product is already perfect and the inventory never goes out of style. Imagine an industry where customers are willing to pay thousands of dollars just to catch a glimpse of your assets. This isn't a fantasy, it is the $11 trillion reality of global tourism. It is a massive economic engine that turns sunsets, mountains, and wildlife into pure, liquid gold. Welcome to the business of experience. Today, we are going deep into the wild strategy behind the world's most beautiful industry. The business model? Selling the dream. In the traditional business world, you sell a physical object, a car, a phone, or a piece of furniture. But in tourism, the product is intangible. You are selling an emotion, connection, and a lifelong memory. You aren't just selling a hotel room. You are selling the breathtaking view from that room's window. This business model thrives on a unique symbiotic relationship. Much like a honeybee in a garden, a single national park or a clean beach creates a massive economic ecosystem, providing jobs for pilots, chefs, hotel managers, and local guides. It is a network where the economy wins only when nature is protected and preserved. The new trend? Green gold. However, the tourism business is shifting. The era of mass, crowded tourism is declining. Today's global traveler is sophisticated and environmentally conscious. They aren't looking for a noisy resort. They are looking for a wild and authentic experience. This has led to the rise of ecotourism, the new green gold. Global business giants are now shifting their investments toward carbon-neutral lodges and conservation-focused tours. They have realized a powerful strategy. The more pristine and wild the nature remains, the higher its business value becomes. In 2026, sustainability is no longer an option. It is the ultimate competitive advantage. The digital lifeline, storytelling. If you want to dominate the tourism sector, you must master the art of digital storytelling. The product only exists if people can see it on their screens. Digital marketing is the lifeline of modern travel. Before a tourist ever steps onto a plane, they must first travel with their minds through your content. You aren't just selling a geographic location, you are selling a dream. Through high-quality visuals and compelling narratives, you build the anticipation that drives the global economy. The tourism business is perhaps the only industry in the world where economic growth can directly lead to the protection of our planet. By investing in our wild spaces, we aren't just saving the environment, we are building a multi-billion-dollar asset for future generations. The strategy is simple. Go wild, invest in nature, protect the experience. For BizWild and Global Business Bee, this is how you turn nature into gold. If you enjoyed this deep dive into nature-inspired business strategies, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Lead your pack, and we'll see you in the next wild strategy.